Good morning. In the boat with the old boy and uncle, putting some pots in, see how we go. Yeah. Oh, it's fucking the nets on this thing.
Into the fucking trees.
Yeah.
Look at them all in the trees. Got some stuff. There's a bit of bait in there already. Chuck it in here.
Oh, caught on that fucking hook again. What are they? It's a little brimbo. You can go back, little fella. Oh no, it's a little grunner, isn't it?
Yep.
Net. Fucking bit of weight there.
He just fucking fucked around with this and just fucking, he was sitting on it. Oi. Fuck yeah. Oh.
Barra.
Barra. Fucking dead barra. He's under, I reckon, but fuck, he just played with that, eh? You reckon he's under?
It'd be fucking close.
Fuck, he just...
Oh, 57 buzzer. We got to get a centimetre bigger. Come on. Yeah, I fucking thought you were just sitting on it, you prick.
Orderly.
Wasted that good mullet on you, you prick.
That was a big cup.
Yeah. Fucking sleepy fish today. Lazy pricks. Quite pretty, but. See you, buddy. We're catching fish without the hooks in them, just wrapping them up. Christmas presents. Not even hooked. Oh, let's move him to a bit deeper water.
Fucking big ollie, look.
Oh, there's a size. I don't know. He looks a bit floaterish. Let's see. He's definitely size. Ah, freaking out. Try and get you. You're gonna walk out, hopefully. Oh, he's gonna cut that. Hook must be hooked on.
Leave her, put her back in.
Move him to deeper water. There's a few crabbies in him. One size.
Just wash it all before you
Yep. He's a good crab by the look of him, actually. You can just pull.
Final inspection for my unit. So why am I doing by the book? I get IGB facilities management who look after the bottom clean for me. Well, they do the big clean, carpet cleaning, and they come in, organise the pest control. I'm thinking about ordering a wasn't IGB facilities management.
That's a good Jenny group.
Well, you do something far more.
That fella there's probably the only one, isn't it? While he's by himself.
Is your phone ringing less? Your online sales and inquiries dropped off? Or are less people coming to your store?
Yeah, keep her in the pot.
When searching online, Spark Digital.
Hammerhead. Gone.
Fucking hell, we're gonna have to have bigger. Fuck, I'm down here. Fuck that bitch.
Only $179.
Coming out mid water.
Find your nearest.
Alright, going upstream there. The fuck you.
Salmon.
Well, hook.
No, I don't know.
Oi.
Bit of acrobatics.
Now that I'm back at work, I'm finding it hard to eat healthy. Well, that's easy. Just go to Skinny Superdelics. They do beautiful and gourmet sellers and a huge variety of wraps. All fresh, gluten-free, vegan, organic,
Eddie, well, hook.
Yeah, no, he should be right.
Now you're talking. They cater to the honey and pesto and gourmet roll platters.
Not a bad, Louis. Good crab bait. Yeah. Fresh, they're alright. Fresh, they're alright. Alright. Oh, get over your bail arm. Fuck.
Star 1063 News.
Always when you're gonna do shit, eh? Well, we might have to get up, Len. He's wedged himself down there. Skidder. Yeah.
But it's not yet clear if Labor will form a
them lip grippers there anyway?
government. Vote counting will resume on Monday. But Tom Morrison says it is important to find
If it stays still.
to concede defeat to provide certainty to Australians. Penny Wong welcomed the Prime Minister-elect at the stage, saying voters have chosen a better future for all. A government that will act called.
What do you got, Carl?
I don't know. It's a bit of weight. I haven't seen it yet. Queenie. Oh. Is there a rag handy? What's up? Hey, mate.
Oh, fuck up, you little spiky. Oh, you fuck. Oh, you cunt.
Whoop. Fuck, that could have been bad. He unhooked himself. Fucking dickhead. Hook nearly went in my nose.
Fucking hit a bite too.
You gotta grab him. Ugh.
Now, what's that bait on?
Your dream home journey and discover
Brimbo.
today with a multi-award-winning home builder,
He's
Fresh
a little bit
Homes.
better.
Built new just for you.
Well, that come eventually,
Freshhomes.com.au.
Love your 80s music.
Not a bad day so far. Can't complain. Another Brimbo? Trumpeter. We're in the nursery. Head shakes, like proper head shakes. I reckon it's a trevally.
Traveling?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck off.
Can call a fish, but
Watery fucker. Look at the colour of the cunt there.
look at that one though.
Yeah.
Puffer fish.
He's alright too, that one, but they could both.
There's two that are legal in here.
There's two that are legal at least.
That one could be one of them, I think.
Yeah, that one there is definitely legal, I reckon.
This
That
one?
wild barnacle bill there.
Yeah.
Barnacle bill's gonna be fucking full, but fucking that's the problem. He's gonna be fucking
Empty again.
Look.
That's
Yeah.
4 crabs that are legal but gone.
Well, barnacle bill will be fucking full as fuck. Look at the toady in there.
Yeah, I
All
said
bloated up. He's gonna be fucking watery too, that I reckon. This one? Yeah. Big crab. Good crab. Fuck off, you. You can bite me, you cunt, aren't you? Yeah. Fucking get in there. Oh, damn. He's not up.
Come on, be a full crab. Empty again. Look at the size of it, ladies and gentlemen, but we don't keep floaters. Hooroo.
Leave that Jenny in there, Cole. Oh, what's that one little buck on there? Try and get him out and fucking leave her there.
Oops, sorry. Missed him. Fuck it, you puffer fish, you can suffer too, you little grub.
Oh yeah, straight on.
Oh, it's...
He might be alright, that one. He's got a little bit of colour by the looks of him. Don't know. I don't know if he's... That one up there.
Yeah, I'll try and get all these others out.
That one? That one done. That one done. Yeah, dude. He's fucking working his way down there.
Oh.
He looks watery. He looks watery.